This QuickBooks Online training course. Lesson, we're going to cover how to run an accounts payable aging report in QuickBooks Online. So follow along with me, log into your QuickBooks Online account now, or click the link below for a free 30-day trial of QuickBooks Online. You can also click this link to access our full QuickBooks Online course and other helpful resources. Let's get started. The AP aging report is the exact opposite of the AR aging report, which we covered in the previous lesson. The AP aging report provides a list of unpaid vendors that you owe. In order for this report to work, you must set up the payment terms your suppliers have extended to you in QuickBooks. In the Setting Up Your Vendors lesson, we walk through step by step how to set up payment terms. Click here to access this tutorial. Similar to the AR aging report, the AP aging report provides you with the payments that you have coming up. With this information, you can determine how much cash you will need to meet your obligations. It is important to pay the suppliers who extend you credit on time so that you can maintain a good payment history. Doing so can also open the door for you to increase the current credit amount that they have extended to you. Maintaining a positive payment history can also improve your business credit rating. Click here to read our article on business credit rating. Here you will find our AP aging report for our fictitious company, Paul's Plumbing. We will review Paul's AP aging report to help demonstrate the components. Starting with the date. Similar to the balance sheet, the AP report is as of a specific date. In this example, this AP aging summary report is as of September 30th, 2016. Item number 2 shows the aging categories. This report is organized by vendor and then by 5 different aging buckets, similar to the AR aging report. The current column indicates invoices that are not yet due. Beginning with the 1 to 30 day column, each category represents the number of days your invoices are past due. If you're having difficulty meeting your obligations in a timely manner, pick up the phone and call your supplier. Chances are they will be happy to extend you some additional time to pay your bills. In addition, most of them will take a partial payment or set up some type of payment plan for you. The worst thing that you can do is not communicate with them at all. Totals by group is indicated here in section 3. A good rule of thumb is to make sure that the majority of your outstanding payables stays within the first 3 columns. It should be a rare occasion that you have something creep into the 61 and over categories. If you do, be sure to address it as quickly as you can with your supplier. You can run an AP aging report pretty quickly in QuickBooks. From the home page, you want to navigate to the Report Center by clicking on Reports. Make sure that you are on the Recommended tab and then go ahead and click on AP Aging Summary. From this screen, we have several options to choose from when running this report. Starting with reporting period. You want to select the reporting period that you would like to run the report for. From the drop-down, you can select the preset time periods that QuickBooks has, or you can indicate a specific date in this field. The Show Non-Zero or Active column allows you to show only active vendors or suppliers, all vendors and suppliers, or just those that have a balance other than 0. And you can do the same for the columns as well. Days per aging period allow you to select the number of days within each category. So for example, we've got 1 to 30, 31 to 60, 61 to 90. Each of these have 30 days within their category, and we've got 4 buckets. And so you have the option to actually change that up to suit your business needs. Once you've made all the selections that you need to, you simply just click the Run Report button and it will run the AP Aging Summary Report for you. So keep in mind that this is an AP Aging Summary Report. So these are summarized totals of what you owe your suppliers. In order to get to the specific invoices that you have outstanding or bills that you have outstanding with your suppliers, you want to click on, make sure you are on the vendor that you want to take a look at, and then if you just click on the amount, it will drill down to an AP Aging Detail report that will show you the invoice details that make up that balance. And so here, as we can see, AP aging detail, we've only got one bill outstanding. So there's one bill that's for that total outstanding balance of $755. So you do have the option to email this report, print the report, or you can export it to Excel. By now, you should have a better understanding of how the AP Aging Summary Report can help you stay on top of the unpaid vendor invoices so that you can be sure to pay your suppliers in a timely manner. Here are a few things that you should implement at your earliest convenience. Be sure to enter all vendor bills into QuickBooks Online as soon as possible. Make sure that payment terms are set up in QuickBooks for all vendors. Be sure to communicate to your vendor if you are going to be late with payment. And finally, review the AP Aging Report on a weekly basis to stay on top of your bills. That wraps up the lesson on how to run an Accounts Payable Aging Report in QuickBooks Online. To access our full QuickBooks Online course or any of the other lessons in this series, click this link. You can also find a link below this video for a free 30-day trial of QuickBooks Online. If you have feedback about this course or if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.